1 minute you're commuting, next you're fighting to survive. The familiar route home vanishes in a blinding curtain of snow. Red brake lights flare, metal crunches, and suddenly you're trapped in a frozen pile-up. The highway is now an isolated metallic wilderness. Survival isn't about strength, it's about knowledge. In this video, we'll break down the 5 deadly factors that can turn a stranded motorist into a statistic, and how to outsmart them. Let's begin. After the crash, your instinct is to run the engine for warmth. But snow can block your exhaust pipe, turning your car into a chamber for carbon monoxide, a silent, odorless killer. This gas seeps in unnoticed, binding to your blood and starving your body of oxygen. The symptoms, headache, drowsiness, confusion, are easy to mistake for exhaustion. Many victims simply fall asleep and never wake up. To survive, you must keep the exhaust pipe clear. Venture out, dig it out, and check it regularly. Never run the engine continuously. Instead, run it for 10 to 15 minutes every hour to conserve fuel and reduce risk. Crack a window on the sheltered side to allow fresh air in and let any carbon monoxide escape. Make this a routine. Clear the exhaust, ventilate, ration heat. Your vigilance is your lifeline. Don't let comfort lull you into danger. Every time you start the engine, check the tailpipe first. If you feel drowsy or confused, shut off the engine and get fresh air immediately. Remember, warmth is important, but clean air is essential. Carbon monoxide is invisible, but your awareness can defeat it. Stay alert. Stay alive. Your car is your shelter, but only if you keep it safe. Don't let a search for comfort become your undoing. Knowledge and routine are your best defences. Survive the cold by outsmarting the silent threat. Move on to the next danger. Most commuters dress for the office, not for survival. Light jackets, dress shoes and cotton hoodies are useless when stranded in the cold. Cotton absorbs moisture and loses insulation when wet, making you colder, faster. Your body's heat is precious. Your clothes must trap it, not steal it away. Frostbite targets your fingers, toes, ears and nose first. Wet, cold extremities can mean permanent damage or loss. The solution? Layer up with wool or synthetic materials, not cotton. Wool insulates even when wet and wicks moisture away from your skin. Keep a thick wool blanket and insulated boots in your car. These are survival tools, not luxuries. If you're caught unprepared, improvise. Wrap your feet in floor mats, stuff clothes with newspaper, use anything dry for insulation. Dress for the crash, not the commute. Protect your core and your extremities. Multiple thin layers trap more heat than one thick layer. Dryness is survival. Avoid sweating and keep moisture away from your skin. Your clothing is your first line of defense against the cold. Don't let fashion or convenience cost you your life. Prepare your car with extra warm gear every winter. In the cold, ingenuity and preparation are everything. Dress smart, survive longer. Let's tackle the next deadly mistake. Thirst will come, and snow is everywhere, but eating it is a deadly mistake. Your body must burn precious heat to melt and warm snow, accelerating hypothermia. Every handful of snow you eat steals warmth you can't afford to lose. Always melt snow before drinking it. Use a metal cup or bottle on the dashboard near the heater, or improvise with a hubcap or plastic bag. Start with a little liquid water if you can. It melts snow faster. Avoid snow from the road surface. Dig for cleaner snow below. Never eat yellow or pink snow. Hydrate, smart melt, then drink. Don't let instinct override science. Preserve your core temperature at all costs. Thirst is dangerous, but hypothermia is fatal. Next, let's talk about the dangers of overexertion. The urge to act, digging out, pushing the car, clearing snow, can betray you. Vigorous activity makes you sweat, soaking your clothes from the inside. Wet clothing conducts heat away 25 times faster than dry air. Once you stop moving, the chill sets in fast, risking hypothermia. Many have died from their own sweat, not the cold itself. Conserve energy and heat. Move slowly and only when necessary, like clearing the exhaust. If you start to overheat, vent your jacket and cool down before sweating starts. The car, even cold, is safer than the storm outside. Stillness is a virtue. Patience is your weapon. Accept that waiting is survival, not surrender. Use your energy for essential tasks only. Stay dry, inside and out. Don't let panic drive you to fatal overexertion. Your best move is often to do less, not more. Protect your insulation by staying dry. In the cold, patience saves lives. Resist the urge to act without purpose. Now, the most dangerous temptation: leaving the vehicle. Cabin fever and desperation may tempt you to walk for help. Don't. Your car is your lifeboat, visible, insulated, and far easier for rescuers to find than a lone figure in a blizzard. Whiteout conditions erase all sense of direction. You can get lost within yards. Deep snow drains your energy and soaks your clothes, leading to exhaustion and hypothermia. Hazards outside, hidden wreckage, downed wires, or oncoming vehicles multiply your risk. Most survivors are those who stay with their vehicles. Make your car visible. Tie a bright cloth to the antenna. Flash your lights if you have battery power. The urge to leave is strong, but it's a fatal gamble. Trust the rescuers. They search the highway, not the fields. Your car is warmer than the open air, even without heat. Stay put, stay safe. Override the instinct to flee. Prepare to wait, not wander. Make your vehicle a beacon for help. The discipline to stay is your greatest survival skill. Don't bet your life against the storm. Your best chance is right where you are. Help will come. Now the dawn of rescue. The storm will break. Rescue will arrive. By making the right choices, clearing your exhaust, dressing in layers, melting snow, conserving energy, and staying with your car, you've survived. Preparation is everything. A winter kit with blankets, boots, water, and a flashlight can save your life. Share this video to help others prepare. Like and subscribe for more survival guides, because knowledge is the tool that weighs nothing and saves everything. Stay safe, stay warm, and thank you for watching. Your story is one of resilience, not tragedy. Until next time, be prepared. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips that could save your life. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your preparedness starts here. Join our community of survivors by hitting that subscribe button now. Animated subscribe button slides onto the screen, pulsing gently. A hand icon clicks the button, making it pop with a cheerful sound effect. Subscribe for more survival tips appears in bold text, followed by animated icons for liking and sharing. Stay ready, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.